a lonelier place. Now there's all this space, nothing can replace. Letting go of you was my one mistake. Counting every day, no, I'm not okay.
Good morning, guys.
I just wanna say I need a friend.
Okay guys, so the pancakes aka breakfast is ready and we're gonna put some pancake syrup on it. So yes, just watch us eat these pancakes.
I've been sleeping late, and if I'm speaking honestly, my dreams are the only place. Thought of you can't bother me.
So guys, we just did our breakfast and it was so tasty, and yes, now we are gonna do our makeup. Yes, watch the montages of us doing makeup.
I don't wanna be false-eyed.
So guys, now that we are done with our makeup and everything else, we are just going to go for a quick walk outside our house, and we are not going to be wearing any mask because it's just like not public place or anything like that. We are just going outside our house and that's pretty much fine for us. So yes.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change. You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly.
Hey guys, so we are just doing a walk around and you guys will see the footage. And yes guys, look at these bananas coming out from this tree, and if you guys haven't seen like bananas grow, that is how they grow. Like they come out from this big flower, and yes. So guys, we came back from outside. It was so fun. Yes. And now we have to make our bed because as you guys can tell, we haven't made it yet, and we are gonna do that. And also we are going to be planning our day because that motivates us in every way possible. So yes, we're gonna do that, and we love to do it. Yes, and we'll show you guys what we do next and stuff like that. So yes, let's plan and make our bed. Guys, this is what we have to do today. So we are going to be studying later on today because the sun is shining really bright and we have to take some pictures. Otherwise the sun will be gone and then we will not be able to take some crisp photos. So yes, we are going to do that, and bye for now. So as you guys saw, we are going to be taking some pictures with some flowers, and we got these flowers for a DIY. Now we are going to use them for the prop. So yes, we're gonna take some pictures. So yeah. guys, so we are back after taking some photos, and now what we are going to be doing is to watch some Netflix and search for good music for our video, like this video, and we'll do some other stuff and study as well, so we'll show you guys what we are doing. So yes. So if any of you guys are wondering what we are watching the documentary by Ariana Grande, Excuse Me, Love You. Yes, and we are gonna watch it because we have been procrastinating for so long to watch it, so now we're finally gonna watch it. So yeah. Okay guys, if you're wondering why we aren't like taking online classes and stuff like that, that is because that our school is closed because of the fact that our exams are coming really soon. So they have like told us to take like 1 week to prepare for your exams, and we have 1 week off. So yes, after like doing this stuff, we are just going to study. So yes. Also guys, we wanted to tell you guys that this routine is not the same, like we don't have the same routine for every day. Every day is a different day for us. We have different tasks to do. Everyone has different tasks every day to do every day. So if you are seeing us taking pictures today, that doesn't mean that we take pictures every day, because today the weather was nice, it was sunny, so we decided to take pictures. So yes. And also the weather was really foggy and smoggy from past few days, and it was really like frustrating. So today the weather was really nice, and we decided to film the video too. And like we decided to film and take pictures and do all the stuff that was like pending. So yes. So guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, so make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel down below. Turn the notification bells on so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. And our previous videos are in the icon right here, so make sure to watch them. And we'll catch you guys later in our next video. Till then, peace out.